If you've ever tried to bevel a Boolean in Maya and ended up with pinching, uneven widths, or even messy topology, this is the tool to fix it. Hey there, it's Colton with the Maya Learning Channel. Every hard surface artist runs into this. You create a Boolean, the cut looks great. Then you bevel the intersection and things just fall apart. Corners collapse, widths vary, topology gets dense, and suddenly you're fixing geometry instead of designing it. That's where Smart Bevel in Maya 2027 comes in. Today I'll show not just how to use it, but why it behaves differently, and why it produces cleaner results after Booleans. Smart Bevel follows the form outward from selected edges and measures width in world units, giving you consistent, predictable results. More importantly, it includes built-in limiting, which prevents the bevel from collapsing or intersecting in tight areas. It integrates directly into Maya's modeling workflow and can be accessed through the modeling tools or search. Let's walk through an example. I've adjusted the viewport slightly so the topology and shading are easier to see. Now let's use a Boolean to cut into this model. The resulting edge is sharp, but you want to round it cleanly without damaging the surrounding geometry. Select your edges and apply Smart Bevel. You'll immediately see a live preview. Now let's look at the main controls. Width controls how far the bevel extends, and it's measured in world units, so it stays consistent across the model. Segments control how smooth the bevel is. One gives you a straight bevel. More segments create a smoother transition but also add geometry, so use only what you need. Depth controls the profile shape, from concave to linear to rounded or convex, letting you shape how the surface transitions and how light rolls across it. When beveling complex Boolean geometry, extra edge loops can be created. These don't affect the silhouette, but they add unnecessary geometry and can cause shading issues. Smart Bevel includes built-in cleanup options to handle this automatically, so you don't have to manually fix edge flow. The result is cleaner topology and more predictable shading. Zooming out, Smart Bevel doesn't just improve the bevel, it changes when you bevel. Traditionally, beveling is delayed until topology is clean. With Smart Bevel, you can bevel earlier because the tool is more resilient. That means faster iteration, fewer corrective passes, and more time spent designing. It shifts the workflow from fixing geometry first to designing first. Traditional bevel is topology dependent. Smart Bevel is form aware. It handles dense intersections, maintains consistent width, provides profile control, and includes cleanup for complex cases. It also prevents collapse and stays stable as values increase. If you're doing hard surface modeling, especially with Booleans, Smart Bevel isn't just a convenience, it's a stronger foundation for edge design. This should get you started, but if you want to explore more advanced options, check out the Smart Bevel docs. Take care.